Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you about the delicious recipe of Aloo Gobi Kofta. It is easy to make and good to eat.
Aloo Gobi Kofta is a popular Indian dish made with potato and cauliflower dumplings, served in a flavorful tomato-based sauce. Here's a recipe you can try. Ingredients for koftas: 1 cup grated cauliflower, 2 cups boiled and mashed potatoes, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon green chili paste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1-2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1-2 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt to taste, oil for deep frying. Ingredients for tomato sauce: 2 cups finely chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder. Salt to taste, oil for cooking instructions. In a mixing bowl, combine grated cauliflower, mashed potatoes, ginger paste, garlic paste, green chili paste, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, and salt. Mix well to form a dough. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. Shape the dough into small balls and deep fry until golden brown. Drain on paper towels and set aside. For the tomato sauce, heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add ginger paste and garlic paste and sauté for a minute. Add chopped tomatoes, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, and salt. Mix well and cook for 10-12 minutes or until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Add 1-2 cups of water to the tomato sauce and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 5-6 minutes. Add the fried koftas to the tomato sauce and simmer for another 5-7 minutes. Serve hot with rice or naan bread. Enjoy your delicious Aloo Gobi Kofta.